Rejection is one of the most painful life experience. All of us have experienced rejection. This can come from our friends, from the very people we love, our families, even the very people we least expect to reject us. We experience them. And what is our instant reaction to rejection? Flight. At kahit po si Jesus, despite His fame, despite the many miracles He performed in other towns and villages, He also experienced rejection. And worst, He was rejected in His own town. Anong ginawa ni Jesus? Pumunta sa ibang mga bayan at doon siya nagturo. Doon siya gumawa ng mga milagro at mga pagpapagaling. When Jesus was rejected by His own townmates, He